Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to talk about crab. Yes, that exercise, crab. And I'll also talk about some modifications and some tips. I know you're a little scared to on your head. I got you. So crab, okay, I am known for saying you can crab sooner than you think. I said it in front of like 150 people. I said you can crab sooner than you think, and I made everyone do it. And here's the thing: it is just you taking your rolling like a ball and your seal, and you're just taking it up a notch. It's all the stuff when you get to the rolling exercises on the mat, you are ready for them. Everything you've done to get there is in them. So this is not you learning any new concept. It's you putting concepts together and challenging and seeing what stuck and what you still need to work on. That's all it is. Okay. So I'll go over some modifications, but let me show the ideal exercise. You would have gone from seal into crab. See that? Hands here. Take them out, cross your ankles. Then you round forward. And this is where everyone gets nervous. They're like, what about the neck? There should be no weight here. Yes, my head's touching the mat, but my neck is not holding me up. It's your stomach, your center. So your thas is on, your ribs are lifting up. All of this is on, right? And then you lift that up so much that it knocks you back. And you get here, and what you want to do is keep the knees at the angle they're at, but open the hips, push the knees into your arms to switch, round forward. This is where everyone gets caught. They lift up. You're rolling like a ball. You just keep rolling. So you actually stay in your mat. And if you are migrating on your mat, it means you're opening up at some point here as you go forward. Now, can you modify it and just do the upside down? Yes, you can. You can just start at the top, rock back, switch legs, start at the top. Here's where everyone gets a little stuck. So your legs are crossed. What I see a lot of people do is shuffle the legs or rocket the legs out. It's not that. You literally push your knees out and in. The angle at the knee never ever changes. So you really are cross-legged like this, and you would just open the legs and open. It's all this and this. It's a lot of good stuff. And guess where you learned all that strength? Hello, side leg kicks. Hello, single leg circles, right? You already did it, right? Your seal opened you up to do that, right? You're rolling like a ball, prepared this shape. You are ready. Your double straight leg stretch got you connected to this and that lift in it. So crab isn't something you learn when you're new to Pilates, but it is something that you can do sooner than you think as you start to put those exercises together in your practice. So this is a challenge for you. You do 2 to 3 each thing. So it's like basically 4 to 6 crabs, and then you get to flip onto your stomach for your rocking and open up everything up. So modifying, you can just replace it with your seal. That would be a really great idea. You can also skip going onto the head and just doing the opposite thing. Make sure, tips to deepen it, you're staying connected. If you are letting go of all your shapes, it's like, don't do it then, right? So really try to stay in your connection, keep the rolling happening. And if you want to really learn this more and have a good job, like a good time practicing it, have fun practicing it, because I'm all about the practice and not about the perfect, join me at onlinepilatesclasses.com. Thank you so much.